Yes, people, so you're out and about. Today we're hitting the Paria Trail right now at the Maracas Lookout. Let's stop the bottles. Thanks. Check it out. Pump is pump. Guess which part is right now? Everybody seeing this Maracas sign. Finally, I'll get a video or a picture of it. Nice, man. Yeah, so I took a drive to Blanchisseuse and I parked up. I put on my gears, my backpack, my cap, shades, and this is me at the Blanchisseuse Bridge taking a selfie. Along the Paria Trail, there were amazing beaches. This is one of them. It's a small little cove, and as you can see, the water at these coves were untouched and turquoise in color. There's another beach, probably about an hour walking to the hike. That was so amazing. After walking for about an hour, I was so parched. The sun was very hot, and this is me taking a little dip into the cool water of the stream. Notice I just wet my face and my hands. I did not want to get my clothes wet, but soon after the rain came down. The trail was very wide and clean. I did not encounter any snakes, and eventually I ended up at Turtle Rock. So have you seen Turtle Rock? Turtle Rock on the way to Paria. So I'm going through this narrow track and it comes out on this. Look at that. That's not all. There's still more. Welcome to Turtle Rock. So I'll probably just have maybe about 20 minutes, 25 minutes until Paria Bay. Turtle Rock is one of the popular stops on the trail. Persons often opt to jump off right here. The water is amazing. If I had came with some more people, probably would have taken a jump. Look at that. Real calm. Would you look at that? look at our views. Just endless North Coast. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Wow, we look at that water. Look at that water. So the rain is falling. I need to put away this camera now. This is my camera phone. Stay tuned for more. So one of the other attractions that Paria has, Paria hikers, is the cathedral. Look at that. Look at that now. Oh god. Look at that water. The best size. Wait. So the next attraction that Paria have is the Paria waterfall. Look at that beauty, look at that. Look at that. See the smoke is over there, and look how beautiful it is. One nice little sunset happening here, and we're live. This is my setup. This is my setup here for the night. Top, a hammock. Now wake up to the sunrise on our side there, so boom. I'm bubbling a little pot right now. Making a little biryani. And I have some ramen for later. So let's check that vibes now there. Bubble and pot. And the ocean. Alright guys, so it's pouring, it's actually pouring rain right now. I don't know if you can see that, see outside. I have one little leak over here. Right now, this is my hammock. And above the hammock I have a top. So above this is a net. Mosquito net. I'm in a hammock right now, and above this I have a mosquito net. So zip out this, and here will be the top. This is the top. And outside there would be the rain dripping on the ground, and that right there is the beach. You won't be able to see it because the place pitch dark. Yeah, but rain is pouring right now in Paria. Just wanted to give you guys an update. So yeah, that was my little trip at Paria Bay and CAMPOUT, and here are some pics from the morning. I packed up around 6 o'clock and I head back to Blanchisseuse where I parked up. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you tune in and subscribe so you can see further videos in the future.